Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the surface. Cleanliness determines adhesion, so remove dirt and oil thoroughly. Once done, test a small hidden patch to confirm compatibility, then work in a shaded, well-ventilated area to control drying. Shake the repellent for about 30 seconds to mix active ingredients and apply one even coat from roughly 15 to 25 centimeters, using steady passes. Make sure to overlap strokes slightly for full coverage, because uneven spray causes patchy protection later. Once the first coat bonds, you build protection by applying additional thin coats. This increases durability without trapping solvents. Make sure to wait about 5 to 10 minutes tack time between layers so solvents evaporate and the polymer sets. For fabrics, aim for 2 to 3 thin coats. For porous, hard surfaces, 1 to 2 coats often suffice. After the final coat, gently rub or buff with a clean microfiber cloth to encourage even penetration and adhesion. This improves water beading and extends performance. You finish by allowing the coating to cure. Let it rest 12 to 24 hours without water or heavy use so the polymer fully hardens. Once cured, perform a simple bead test using a small water drop to verify repellency. If water soaks or wets, recoat targeted areas. If you encounter residue, white bloom, or sticky spots, clean the affected zone with isopropyl alcohol, let it dry, then reapply a thin, even coat. Troubleshoot by repeating light coats rather than one heavy pass. Too much.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.